I never took a checkup. Here we go, man. We got all the guys here. Throgs Neck area, Harding Avenue, Throgs Neck. Got all the fellas here. All right? Yeah, I'm recording right now. Let's go. Ready? Guys, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Let the troopers out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Over 150 birds right there. Check it out. Oh, that didn't hit nothing. That didn't hit nothing. That didn't hit nothing. That's good. That's good. That didn't hit nothing. There you go. That didn't hit nothing. Somebody grizzle landed right there. Wow, man. Yeah, you brought that bird, man. Why you brought it? There you go. Nice mob. Let me go back. Here they go. We get this recording in. Looking good. Looking good. Big mob right there, man. Yeah, he bought a flight. Check it out. Bought a flight. Go catch him, man. Go catch them all. See how good you do. I know they're on their way home, buddy. They're on their way home. There they go, there they go. They're right there. Wind's pulling the opposite way from where they gotta go. Where's the other stock at? Oh, there they go. That's my stock. That's my stock right there. Yeah, so his birds are pulling back. There's a lot of birds. Yeah. 3 stocks. Yeah, that's the stock on the left. The one on the left is
Hey, Louis, come here. John chased up his bird. That's his bird.
Yeah, the 3 stocks.
Yes, it's the same bunch.
No.
Oh, wait.
Dude.
Oh, that's the guy's animated.
That's the stock, and that's the stock. That stock somebody chased up. Let's see what happens. I don't know who Canadian that is. That's the stock, and that's the stock. That stock somebody chased up. Let's see what happens. I don't know who Canadian that is. Look at that stock on top going straight home, bro. See the one on top? That one's going home. Those are going home. See those right there? And the other ones are pulling out either way. They're not going to the stock. They're pulling out. And there's some birds on top. Cool. See, straight on top. Look at straight on top. Look on top. 2 birds dove in. Yeah, but those came in. They ain't not from the stock.
Yeah, but they walk back this line.
Oh, maybe those. So who's that? Who flies there? Oh, somebody's having it. Somebody's gonna have a good time today.
Yeah.
So the birds got to go against the wind, which is a bad thing. You know what I mean? I wish there was no wind. It would have been better. All right. Those 2 stocks are the birds we let go. The 2 stocks in the back. The ones out there. Our birds still go together. Now that we took a bunch of stocks, some are not going to come back with them, but most of them will. No, even when I took a check, they don't go together. The birds came back together, all of them. All of them. I wasn't missing no birds. No birds were missing but a Birmingham. See that stock up there? My birds gotta be up there, bro. They got that's not where they fly. Gotta be. He swallows them. He swallows them. That other. See like a black light? Man stocks out here trying to catch the birds. Man stocks. Yeah, that's the stock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches.
Yep. But those 2 bunches out there are the ones we let go, right? The ones in the back. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. Nah, those are the 2 stocks over there on top. They're about to hit. The 2 stocks on top. See the 2 stocks on top? Those are the ones we let go. The 2 on top we let go. Okay? And they're about to hit. That's good if they hit. And then they'll pull out. Both of the stocks are all birds and some of his mixed in. John let go.
This person coming down low. You can worry about, bring my 25, you bring your 25. It doesn't make sense of whether you bring more.
Yo, who you think are those birds pulling in the front? Who you think birds those are? Who you think them birds in the front pool? Who you think birds those are? In the front. Those are jacks because you gotta go home. Oh, look at that other stock. Look at that big stock. Yeah, a whole bunch of them left. Still gonna pull. The stock right there, that's the mob trying to shoot the birds. They go 150 plus birds. Different bird flies, 150 birds from right here. Throgs Neck, they got at least 6 miles to go home. Of course, they fly more than 6 miles because they have to find a way home. They have to find their bearings, so they fly longer than that, or further than that. See what happens. See if they all get home. Anyway, we'll see if everything gets home. Everybody will contact me, let me know how they did. We'll find out. Alright, nice checkup. Later. Wanted to note that today's checkup to Throgs Neck was a success. We got every single bird back. 30 out of 30. Got them all back. Didn't lose any. You look at the video, you see the birds pull out. You know, they all came home at the same time. But when I got home, like an hour and a half later, after post checkup, my birds were here. I saw when they arrived on video, they got here at 8:10. We crossed them a quarter to 8. So they were here. I think they all came back together. Didn't see them come back by themselves. By the time I get here, it's an hour and a half later. So when they came back by themselves, I wouldn't know. They all came back. Right. They all came back. And the news came back. 100%. Later.